Welcome. In this video, we'll take a look at the LawOffice.AI Microsoft Outlook add-in. To get started, let's head over to the Microsoft Marketplace to install it. On the top navigation bar in Outlook, look for the Get Add-ins button. If it's not immediately visible, just click the three dots to reveal more menu items. Once the Office add-ins window opens, search for LawOffice.AI, select LawOffice.AI for Outlook, and click Add. When the installation is complete, go ahead and close the window. If the new LawOffice.AI icon doesn't appear in your menu right away, simply click Customize Toolbar to place it exactly where you want it. Now let's click on our newly installed add-in. It will open in a side panel. For convenience, we highly recommend clicking the pin icon so it stays open while you work. Upon first loading, you'll see a welcome screen. Click Get Started to head to the sign-in page. Take a look at the password field. You can log in using your standard LawOffice.AI password, or you can use an access key. The access key is incredibly handy if you rely on a browser password manager and don't have your password memorized. For this demo, we'll use an access key. Open LawOffice.AI in your web browser and click on your user avatar. Scroll down to the Access Key section and click Copy. As a quick security note, you can refresh your access key at any time, which will immediately sign out all existing active sessions. Back in Outlook, enter your email address, paste in your access key, and click Send. Once you're signed in, you'll notice that the Case Search and Contact Search fields populate automatically. The add-in is smart. It scans the email subject line for a case number to instantly load the corresponding case. It also cross-references the sender's email address with your LawOffice.AI contacts, preloading any matches. This automation saves you valuable time when associating emails with the right case or contact. To save the email to a case, simply click Save to Case. The email and any attachments will be stored automatically. Once done, you can click Open Case to jump straight into the matter. From there, select the Email tab to view all of your saved emails. Clicking on any subject line will open the full message. You'll see that this view preserves the original email format as closely as possible, including all essential details. Scroll to the bottom of the message to find your attachments. Clicking on an attachment will automatically open it in its default application. To keep your workspace organized, attachments are also routed directly to your case files. Navigate to the Files section and look for the Email Attachments folder. Inside, files are automatically organized by sender, making it effortless to track down documents saved from past emails. Similarly, if you choose the Save to Contact button back in the add-in, it will securely save the email and its attachments directly to that specific contact's record. Now let's see how the add-in helps when composing an email. Open a new mail window and click the LawOffice.AI add-in to reveal the Compose panel. Again, be sure to click the pin icon so this panel automatically opens whenever you draft a new message. To help you draft messages faster, you have direct access to your case and contact data. Start by clicking Search Cases and entering a case number or matter name. Once selected, a list of all related case details will appear. Simply click on any case detail button to instantly insert that text directly into your email draft. Clicking on a specific contact field will open a secondary menu containing all of their contact info. Here are two quick pro tips. First, holding down the Shift key while clicking a detail button will insert the text in all caps. Second, notice the smaller buttons sitting above certain fields. Clicking Subject to CC or BCC will instantly populate those specific fields in your Outlook email header, saving you from copying and pasting. Finally, if you notice any case details are missing, just scroll to the bottom of the panel and click Open Case to make updates in the main application. And that's a wrap for our quick tour of the LawOffice.AI Outlook add-in.